Hi guys, welcome to Nami's channel. Today we're going to do this cute chocolate glazed strawberry together, so let's start. My hook size is 2.25 millimeter, and in the very first we need to do a magic ring just like this. And then we put our hook into the hole, yarn over once again to make one chain. And for the first round we need to do 6 single crochet. We put our hook into the hole, yarn over, and then yarn over, go through 2 loops on our hook. This is our very first single crochet. Just remember to put a mark in, and then we need to do 5 more single crochet for the first round. After the 6 single crochet in total, we put this end, close a circle in the center, and then we take out the mark. In the mark place, we put our hook in, yarn over here, and then pull our hook directly to do a slip stitch. In here, we do one chain to start our next round. The next round pattern is 1 single crochet and 1 single crochet increase. We put our hook into the very first stitch. We can put this end on top of our hook to carry it. Yarn over here, and yarn over, go through 2 loops on our hook. Then we just repeat 1 single crochet and 1 single crochet increase to the end. After finishing the very last single crochet increase, we take out the mark. In the mark place, we put our hook in, yarn over here, and then pull our hook directly to do a slip stitch. In here, we do one chain to start our next round, and we put our hook into the very first stitch, yarn over here, and yarn over, go through 2 loops on our hook. This is our very first single crochet. Just remember to put a mark. And then for our next stitch is a single crochet increase. In this stitch, we need to do 2 single crochet. And then we just repeat 2 single crochet, 1 single crochet increase to the end. We should have the 1 remaining stitch is a single crochet. After finishing the very last single crochet, we take out the mark. In the mark place, we put our hook in, yarn over here, and then pull our hook directly to do a slip stitch. In here, with 1 chain to start. For this round, the pattern is 3 single crochet and 1 single crochet increase. We put our hook in, yarn over here, yarn over, go through 2 loops on our hook. This is our very first single crochet. Just remember to put a mark. Then with the 2 single crochet, 1 stitch, 1 single crochet. After the 3 single crochet is a single crochet increase, which means in the same stitch we need to do 2 single crochet. And then we just repeat for very last single crochet increase. We need to change our yarn color. Now this is my very last single crochet increase. We put our hook into the stitch, yarn over here, go through 2 loops. This is the first single crochet, and we need to do 1 more. For the second one, we put our hook in, yarn over. In here, we need to change our yarn color. We grab our red color and then hold the yarn on the back, yarn over, go through 2 loops using the red yarn. And in here, we take off the mark. In the mark place, we put our hook in, yarn over here, and then pull our hook directly to do a slip stitch. In here, we do 1 chain to start, and for this round, the pattern is our single crochet around. We can always put the end of the yarn on top of a hook to carry it. We just repeat 1 stitch, 1 single crochet for the whole round. After finishing all the single crochet, we take out the mark. In the mark place, we put our hook in, yarn over here, and then pull our hook directly. We do 1 chain to start. This round, the pattern is 1 single crochet and 1 single crochet decrease. We put our hook into the very first stitch, yarn over here, and then yarn over, go through 2 loops. This is the very first single crochet. Just remember to put a mark. For the single crochet decrease, first we need to put our hook into the center of the next stitch, just like this, and do it 1 more time. For the next one, put our hook into the center of the stitch next to it, just like this, and then we yarn over, go through the 2 loops, 2 half loops. Then we yarn over, go through 2 loops on our hook. This is a single crochet decrease. For this round, we just repeat doing it 1 single crochet and then 1 single crochet decrease. So if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, and I will update weekly. After finishing the wireless single crochet decrease, we take out the mark. In the mark place, we put our hook in, yarn over, and then pull our hook directly to do a slip stitch. Leave about this long, and then snip off. After fill it, we need to use our needle to close the circle in the center. We put our needle into the only half of the stitch in the center of it, just like this, and then we skip the next stitch. Put our needle into the center of the one next to the second one, the third one. And then we just skip one and then put our needle into the center of it. Repeat doing it for the whole round. So in here, we just put this end to close the circle on the top. Just like this. And then we need to put our needle into the center of it. Go to this side. We snip off. For the leaf part, we need to do a magic ring like this. And then put our hook in, yarn over here, yarn over 3 times. 1, 2, yarn over 3 times, do 3 chain, and then in the second stitch from our hook, we put our hook in, yarn over here, pull our hook directly to do a slip stitch. Then we put our hook into the hole, yarn over, and then pull our hook directly to do a slip stitch. We just repeat doing it 3 more times. We do 3 chain first. And in the second chain from a hook, we put our hook in, yarn over, pull our hook directly to do a slip stitch. Then put our hook into the hole, yarn over here, and then pull our hook directly. Just repeat it 2 more times. After finishing the very last one, we just put this little end to close the circle in the center. In here, we put our hook into the little hole in here, in the very first leaf, like this. Yarn over here, then pull our hook directly to do a slip stitch. In here, we do 1 chain, and then we can snip off. Then here, we need to do 4 chain. We first fold it like this, and then put our hook in, yarn over, like this. We do 4 chain, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we snip off. Then we put our hook into the center of it from the back to the top like this. We just grab these 2 ends. We just tie them and then snip off. Use a hot glue to glue them together. If you want, you can add some decoration like this one. So that's it about today's video. Thanks for watching. Feel free to leave a comment below if you have any questions. I will see you next week. Bye.